2021, it's about to go down. What's going on, beautiful people? My name's Anastasia Matias, and I help you grow and become the best version of yourself. And today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things to remember in 2021 to make it the best year yet. Now, you definitely want to go and watch my first video, which is about how to hit your goals in 2021, because, you know, with this video and that video, your 2021, it's about to go down. So without further ado, let's get right into the information. The first thing that I want you to remember in 2021 is that rest is not negotiable. Oh my goodness. This is something, let's be honest here, that we all need to work on. Many times we think that rest is optional. We stay up late for a homework assignment, we don't go to bed before a test, we do work literally all day, every day, and we don't realize that our body needs to rest. And we need to take time to ourselves to just rejuvenate and make sure that we can be our best for the next day. I do have other videos about how to block out your time and about how to make sure that you have certain times to work and certain times to rest. I will put it in the bio. But I want you guys to make sure that in 2021, you're getting the rest that you need and making sure that it's not negotiable. It's time to stop telling ourselves that we can stay up all night and then the next day think that we can still be on 10. Because let's be honest here, we can't. It's hard to stay up all night and then the next day still be ready to move forward and work hard on the things that we have to get done. So remember to get the rest that you need this year. The second thing to remember in 2021 is to stop searching for balance. You're probably just like, what the heck did she just say? Stop searching for balance? Let me explain. Many times we think to have a perfect life or to be happy, we have to have perfect balance in everything that we do. And because of that, we wait until we feel it, until we start certain things. And let's be honest here, when have you ever felt perfect balance? You're like, well, I'm not there yet, so that's why I'm not happy. No, that's not true. Balance is perfection. When you think about balance, balance is being completely balanced in all areas of your life, whether it be spiritual, your relationships, financial, your business. You have perfect balance in everything. And that would mean that you are a perfect person. And as humans, we're not perfect. There's gonna be days or even seasons when you're focusing on one aspect more than another, and that's okay. Once you fill your cup in that certain category, then you can focus on others. I learned that it's not about balance, it's about rhythm. It's about having rhythm when it comes to life. Knowing that in certain seasons it's going to be like this and in certain seasons it's going to be like that. You just have to learn how to be content where you are, because if you're always searching for when you're going to be balanced, completely successful and balanced in all areas of your life, you're never truly going to be happy and fulfilled. So that was just something that I learned recently and something that I wanted to share with you guys, because I know how it can feel when you are always searching for balance but never feeling actually fulfilled. But just remember that it's not about balance, it's about rhythm. Which brings me to the third thing that you want to remember in 2021, and something that I feel like we all had to work on this last year, is to stop stressing out about things that we can't control. We already know what happened this last year with COVID-19 and with things happening in our country. We know that pretty much 2020 was kind of a mess. But if you let what's happening around you, things that you can't control your mood, you can be very depressed, sad, stressed out, when really at the end of the day, you can't control what's happening around you. You can only control your life. Just remember that coming this year, that whatever happens around you, try not to stress out about those things. That's one reason why last year I was super unproductive for the first few months of the year, because I was just freaking out, thinking that it was the end of the world, when really at the end of the day, I had a lot of time that I could have been focusing on things that I was doing. So that's just a great reminder this year to stop stressing out about things that you can't control and focus on what you can. The fourth thing that you want to remember in 2021 is to finish what you start. This is one thing that I'm sure we're all working on, and one thing that I just wanted to remind you guys of, because at the beginning of the year, we set all these expectations for 2021. We set goals that we have, we set resolutions, we set our word for the year and all those different things. But many of us halfway through the year don't even finish off what we set off to do in the beginning of the year. Actually, even by now in February, a lot of us have even quit what we decided that we were gonna do the first day of the year. One way that you can get back into the goals and resolutions that you had for this year is to reevaluate what you told yourself you were gonna do. Was it too big? Have you never worked out before, but you told yourself you were gonna work out for 2 hours every single day this year? Sometimes you gotta start small. It's totally fine to just restart and make yourself smaller goals that you can hit every single day, just so that you can get back into the groove and not think that you have to wait till next year. Let's finish what we start this year. You're gonna feel so good at the end of the year if you do that. The fifth thing that I want you guys to remember in 2021 to make it the best year yet is to be consistent in everything that you do. Being consistent with yourself and the little things can really build confidence. Because when you tell yourself that you're gonna do something and you actually do it, then you are not only building confidence with yourself, but you're building confidence with other people. When other people see that you're consistent, they trust you more. I'm telling you, being consistent can really help you in all aspects of your life. So that's something that you definitely want to remember in 2021. And remember that being consistent can really help you build bad habits and create good ones. Being consistent in every area and every aspect of your life can really help you through 2021 to make it an amazing year. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you learned something from this. And remember these 5 things this year so that you can have an amazing year. If you did love this video, then it would mean so much to me if you would like and subscribe and comment one goal that you have this year that you want to hit, because I'd love to see what you guys are up to this year. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next week.